Hi, welcome to Ultimate Tech Hub, and today on this episode, we're going to review the Sunpak LED 330 light kit. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox the light kit. Here's the LED light. Let's go ahead and open it up. Now on the back we have the controls, brightness and color temperature on off button, and we even have, looks like the bottom plugs into a tripod, and looks pretty good. Let's get the diffuser out. And instructions. Okay, let's get the charger for the battery, and we'll get the battery out as well. Okay, we'll go ahead and put the battery into the charger. Make sure those metal pieces line up correctly. And let's plug it in. Once it turns green, it means it's fully charged. Now let's remove the battery and place it into the LED light. This is a little bit tricky. You have to make sure you push down the battery before you actually slide it into those two prongs. Otherwise, if you don't make the connection, the light won't even work. And I had a couple issues with this at first. So make sure you pop it down and then slide it over. And it should be firm in, no problems, and then the light should work. So let's test it out. Okay, it's turned on now. Now let's play the controls a little bit, test out the brightness and the color, make sure it all works. It looks good. There's even a battery indicator. And if you want, you can plug an adapter to the side. Okay, we're going to mount the LED light to the tripod using this bracket, and it has one screw. And we'll screw that to the bottom, tighten it up real good. Now let's go ahead and mount it to the tripod. Let's open the barn doors, directional light, and we can now turn on the light. Very nice. I like the barn doors because you can direct that light to be focused or kind of, spread out. And there's two switches in the back for dimmable switching and for color temperature. So we can, there's a switch there for brightness, and this other switch is for color temperature.
Brightness, color temperature.
Okay, I placed the Sunpak LED light up top here, on top of this lamp. I have no shelves in this office, so I figured I'd put it behind this lamp. I got underneath it, there's a towel, kind of prop it up a little bit. It's on full brightness, and as you can see, it's really bright. So I can turn it down a little bit here. Like that. You can turn the cooling down a little bit. Different color cool. All in all, a very good LED light. Mounts to top of your DSLR camera, mounts to a tripod, so pretty good. And it will sit on a shelf if you have a shelf. I don't have one obviously, but does well up here. Brightness is incredible. Okay, that's it. That's all the features that the Sunpak has. The next thing I want to discuss with you is the battery life. Now I'm using the battery right now. I've been timing it, so when this light does go dead, I'll have a really accurate time of how long the battery lasts. I'll put that in the end of the video so you'll know. Also, off camera, I'm going to charge the battery and time it as well, so you'll have an uptime and a downtime. And those things are pretty important when it comes to filming and making YouTube videos. I just want to thank you guys for watching my videos. I have a lot more reviews coming up. Thank you again. Hit subscribe for me, please, and hit the like button, share this video, leave some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching.
Hi guys, it's Michael from Ultimate Tech Hub, and today on this episode, we're going to be reviewing the LED 330 light kit. Hi guys, it's Michael with... Hey guys, it's Michael from Ultimate Tech Hub, and today we're going to be reviewing